There are 6. This is Boulder Ridge. This is a DVC standard room. All right, got a microwave, some cabinet space, some coffee cups, toaster, sink area. Little mini fridge action. Some utensils. And some empty drawer spaces. Under the sink, a little bit of room. Alrighty. Bathroom. Seems to be a little bit tighter area than some other bathrooms. And this particular room does have a built-in shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Notice the wilderness theme happening here. Okay, some storage underneath of the sink area. Let me see if I can get a light here. There we go. We have a closet. Oh, an in-room safe, but can you see how you've got to get in on the other? I don't know how you get it to the safe. You gotta squeeze. This is like really ridiculous. This is kind of ridiculous. So I just had to squeeze past the safe to use it. That's really weird. That is a little strange. And then iron. There is an extra pillow and blanket in there. And let's take a look at the living area. You have a few drawers. There's some good space there. Pull out stools. Recycling. This is a 5th bed. It's a pull down. Oh, that's so cute. Got Chippendale. I just pulled this down with one hand, so it's pretty easy to pull down. And then you have your queen bed. Underbed storage. That is nice, especially because the closet's kind of small. Then this will pull down into a full bed. So you can, looks like you can sleep up to 5 in here. Okay, I could hear some fireworks, but I don't know if I can actually see them from in here, so let's see if I can get outside. Golly day. There we go. No, can't see them from our room over here, but they're off in the distance over there. Alrighty. Little balcony. Doesn't really have any view, so coming back into the room. It's pretty spacious. There's not really a table except for this. Now, in the past, we've had some of these that actually pull up into a table, so let's see if that is one of them. Yes, it is. Pulls up into a table. That is nice. Storage underneath, but what you can see is there is another extra pillow and blanket in there for that bed. So that's nice that pulls out into a table. Let's see. You can see. Watch TV, have a snack. Let's check out the storage space and outlets. Standard outlets there. Some storage there underneath of that side table. Again, some more storage. I don't know if this pulls out. Oh, it does. Even more storage underneath that side table. And some outlets, some reading lights, and really nice artwork that features like wilderness. I really like the Donald one over here. So again, one more look at this Boulder Ridge room. This is our first time staying at Boulder Ridge, but not our first time staying here at Wilderness Lodge. So if you do have any questions about this hotel, please let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this tour of a DVC room, Standard Deluxe.